A very cheerful good morning, my dear students. I, Namita Srivastava, welcome you all in online class. Today I am here to teach you English literature. Our first chapter is The Night We Won the Buick. The writer of the chapter is John Griggs. Let me tell you a little bit about this author. John Griggs was born on 15th April 1924 in England. He was a British writer and politician. He began his career as a journalist with Times and was a member of the wartime government formed by Winston Churchill. He was died in 2001. You must be wondering the meaning of Buick. What is Buick? It is a model of car which was built in America. Now children, the theme of the story. The story is all about money and character. The most important things while reading a story is that we should be aware of four things. Name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The Night We Won the Buick. Who is the writer of the lesson? John Griggs. Characters. Characters are very important part of the story. You read the story but you don't know the characters. Children, it does not mean. Now plot. What is plot? Plot is a series of events which form story. So children, you should keep these four things in your mind while reading a story. Now let's start the chapter. The story revolves before the Second World War, just before 1940, is long time back. There was a family, the father, the mother and the son. So how many members were there? There were three people were there. And the son is the narrator or writer of the story. The son is telling the story. The family lived in New York City, but they did not own a car. So these people, they lived in New York, was the most embarrassing thing that was they did not have a car. They had Shetland pony. Shetland means, what is the meaning of Shetland? Shetland, a horse breed with a thick coat. And the name of the pony was Barkish. It was named by the narrator's mother. Barkis was the comic eyesore. Eyesore means something that is unpleasant to look at. So the narrator found him ugly, so he did not like the Barkis. Why he did not like the Barkis? Because he wanted a car. Every step of this pony reminded him the poverty. So whenever the pony moved on, it reminded him that they were very poor. The father of the narrator worked as a clerk. So let me tell what is the meaning of clerk. What is clerk? A clerk is a person who keeps a records of accounts in the office. He earned a modest income. Meaning of modest? Modest is sufficient. But his father was a very generous. Generous means kind person. He was giving the charity. So this father used to give half of the salary to the sick and poor relatives. For the family, it was mortgaged. What is the meaning of mortgaged? Mortgage means borrowed money from bank using the house as a security. The house means the house as a security. Even the grocery also they had to take in on credit. Sometimes they used to take the grocery on the credit. The narrator's mother was a very simple lady. Though the father was very generous, very kind, but mother was also very simple lady. She believed in simple living. She did not have any demand. She did not have show off. She was keeping the things very properly, home, everything she was managing very properly. Mother confronted the family by saying, if you have character, you have the better part of wealth. The narrator's mother used to advise here about the importance of maintaining a good character. Wealth does not mean money alone. Health, friends, vehicles, land, house, family. Here, character is more important than money because money can be earned even if it is lost. If you lost the money, then also you can earn. But once lost character cannot be earned, children. Very important point it is. Remember this. It is very important part of the life. A good character, very important part of life. But teenager son, he disagreed with his mother's what views, whatever she was giving. He often argued and kept questioning. All this philosophy will not buy a car. So now one day, a soul igniting moment, we can say, or a moment of happiness appeared, the narrator's life. For many weeks in the country fair, a Buick Roadmaster was standing there as a bumper prize. A beautiful car of the best car was there, raffled off. Raffled off means as a lottery. Raffled off means lottery. As a prize, it was standing there. The narrator was much eager to know about the winner. So he also went to the fair, and after watching the fireworks, he stayed beyond the throng. Throng means crowd, to know who is going to win. Now, the climax, the mayor came on the stage to announce the winner of the bumper prize. It was lottery number 348. The winner was his father. It was the it was the happiest moment of his life. The lady luck was smiling upon his family. The mayor presented father with the keys and the father drove away the Buick. The narrator was the top of the world. Now narrator whatever he wanted a car, he got. His father was the biggest. Why? Because his father won the biggest dream of his life. That was the Buick. So he ran away to his house very fast to get the glance of a new car. He saw a beautiful Buick. It is standing on the door. So he went near the Buick. He touched everything, smelling new, and it had a luxurious look. And that time he saw his father to the rear window. The window, what is the meaning of rear window? The window side of the car is a rear window. He ran to talk to his father, but his father was in very bad mood. He was snarling. It was very surprising for the boy. My father won the lottery today. He got the Buick. Why he is upset? So he went to his mother to know the reason. He found that his father is struggling with ethical problem. He had the ethical problem means he was confused what is right, what is wrong means he had the ethical problem. Then the child asked, what is the problem? So mother explained his father had bought two tickets, one for himself, another for his boss, Mr. Jim Kendrick. Now fourth character came, Mr. Jim Kendrick. He was the boss of the narrator's father. On buying the tickets, the boss did not pay money, did not pay anything, but just said yes. When he went to the office, he asked to his boss, then he said, yes, you buy, but he did not give any money. So even he was not bothered about, he was not knowing he might lottery ticket won the bumper prize. But the lottery just the winning ticket 348 belonged to Jim Kendrick. As his father marked small k when he purchased two tickets, he purchased 348 and 349. But when he purchased the tickets, the lottery tickets, so 348, what was the lottery number of 348? He wrote a small k there. It is for Jim Kendrick, and the winner was the 348 only. After hearing these explanations, the narrator had decided that the father should not give Buick to the boss. He said, then What is the problem? When Jim Kendrick is not knowing ki whose lottery won the bumper prize, so what is the need to give the Buick to the boss? Then why he said as Kendrick was multi-millionaire, he had dozen of cars. Father had no car, so he could not keep. He should keep. And but to the narrator's surprise him father came back and called Jim Kendrick the boss. He came back again and he went to the room and he made a phone call to Jim Kendrick. It was it was that when he called his boss was but it was at midnight, so his boss was sleeping at that time. He did not receive the phone. The next afternoon, Mr. Kendrick suffers a driver came and drove over the Buick. The time passed and the narrator grew up. The time passed and the narrator grew up and became an adult. He worked hard and got a car because he could afford but he never forgot his mother's aphorism. Whatever his mother said, he could not forget. He said, if you have character, you have the better part of wealth, better part of life. The narrator realized that they were never richer than they were at the moment when his father had made the telephone call. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Now we will discuss about the moral of the story, which moral we get from the story and what moral we got. The narrator's father had set a very good example for his child by teaching him that character always comes first. Here, in the story you saw, as Kendrick was not knowing कि he was the winner of the bumper prize. Then also his father has written on the lottery small k, and he gave the prize to him only as he has written 348 on the lottery number 348k. So in order to so he gave himself as a good example for his child to the child. In order to set an example, you have to practice it. Then only it will be example of somebody. If we say you do like this, so we should be this quality we should also have. You know, it is why we said a hand that gives is better than the hand that receives. Once again I say, a hand that gives is better than the hand that receives. Thank you and have a nice day. Now, I have given some assignment related to that story. The question is, find the details from the story. You will get the details from the story only. Some difficult words are there. You have to write in your copy and you have to learn it. And the meanings also you have to learn from the book. One more question is there. Write the noun form of the given words and make sentences. You have to do in your assignment copy. And related to chapter, I have given one situational question. Imagine you are the narrator of the story. Imagine you wrote a story, you are the narrator of the story. You feel sorry for your behavior and want to explain your action to your father. Now how you will explain? Write a note to him expressing your feelings and apologizing for your behavior. Thank you and have a nice day.